Good morning. Welcome back to my tiny house, tiny kitchen. Today, the featured is my Blendtec blender. This is my second favorite, first or second. My juicer and my blender have always been my favorite appliances when I lived in a sticks and bricks, and I didn't ever get rid of them. I kept them. So today, I am gonna make a smoothie. Let's see what's gonna go into my smoothie. Okay, this is what's gonna go in my smoothie this morning. I start off with some yogurt, banana. I have a little bit of leftover pineapple, so I'm gonna throw that in there. Some protein powder. Ow, Sammy. This berry medley. It's got strawberry, blackberry, blueberry, and raspberries. I'm gonna use this, not all of it, but I need to use it because it's been in my freezer for a little bit. And almond milk. Sometimes I just use water, but when I was at Dollar Tree the other day, I bought this shelf-stable almond milk, and it is unsweetened, and this is shelf-stable until you open it. But it has been in my refrigerator, so it is cold. Wouldn't want to put warm almond milk in there. And then my blender. So let's make a smoothie. Okay, sometimes I put ice in it, but since I'm out here, my ice is in the camper. That's not gonna happen. So, yeah, I used to make smoothies all the time, that or juice, for a long time, in my sticks and bricks back in the day. I'm not gonna put all that pineapple in there and do one tomorrow, and there's some more. The whole banana. Sammy's like, what are you doing? It's gonna be making some loud noise and you're not gonna like it. Bananas have been doing this too. What's up with our food, man? These are organic bananas. Don't understand. Look at this. Okay, no. Sammy says, I need a bite. Some berries. I forget how big this blender is, so I don't want to overfill. Some protein powder. This is going to be breakfast. I'm not going to do that much right now. How's that? Let's see how that goes. All right, Sammy, it's gonna be loud. Smoothie. Let's see the consistency. Did I do good? Did I do good? Looks like I did. Yeah, look at that. Don't pour it out. Yeah, this might be 2 meals. This is gonna be 2 meals. I'll take some to Deborah. Man, that is good stuff right there. Where have you been?
And so what is up with my hair? I don't know. My hair. So I did take a sip and I kind of went, I know, because it's a little bit sour.
I don't think she likes it.
You don't, no, I do. It's growing on me.
Well, you drink sweet coffee.
Yeah.
And so you have probably...
And you don't expect for a fruit drink to have a tang. But it's good. I know I'm not, I'm going to try again. Hold on. It's good. I like it.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right. I'm going to harvest this tomato. Yeah. Look at there. Perfect. I'm going to let this one go another day or two. Yeah, they're all going to come in at the same time, aren't they? Yum. Hey, Salsa. Y'all see that snake? Yeah, I went to go get more canning jars. I think it's a rattlesnake. It's kind of in the shade there. Yeah, there's a snake guy here in the park, so Deborah's going to call him. I don't have his number. I guess I need that because it looks like it's a rattler. It's a baby. It's hard to see him.
Be more nearby. That's pretty large for a newborn rattlesnake. So.
He might have migrated.
Well, once they give birth,
Yeah.
they'll spend about a week or two with mom until they first shed their skin. Then they go their own way.
Look, bunny. You got a bunny over there.
He's just laying down.
Yeah, just laying flat.
Yeah. I just came out of the shop and then I was going back in there and I was like, oh gosh. Oh. Just like that. Just like that.
He was like, I don't think so.
Is it a diamondback?
Yeah.
Yeah. Little bitty rattler.
And then she's got her bunny coming to.
Oh, I wasn't recording. There was a little bunny laying there, but now he just got up. He was laying right by the water bowl. He says, thanks for the water. Thanks for the water. Okay, after that little baby snake scare, I'm cooking Sammy's food. I have this. And I just scoop it up. Let it drain. Then I put it in there. Okay, got the rice, the turkey, peas and carrots. Sammy says, what? Peas and carrots? You say, what? Peas and carrots? You can carrot? You like carrots? You like them frozen? Look, peas and carrots. Oh, did you drop it? You better get down there and find it. Okay? All right. We got your supper made, didn't we? Now let's do bandits.